what are some of the possible benefits for at least trying some natural or alternative therapies?
There are a lot of benefits for trying natural therapies. The main one being that you have very few side effects or sometimes no side effects with any of these natural remedies. The second one would be low cost. They don't cost anything sometimes because we're doing home remedies or we're just changing the nutrition or the way the child is eating or what the child's eating. And the third one would be that most of the times it's a sure treatment because many of the medications that we even prescribe for asthma or other problems, it's a hit and miss trial methods that we try. We try to see if this is the right dose, is this working? So it takes a long time to kind of work with the child and get the right medicine. But with natural remedies, it always does work. It's just to varying extent.
If a parent came to you and wanted to try some of these natural therapies, what are some things that you might recommend trying?
Okay, I kind of use a little method called my 3 R's for asthma. The first one would be like remove. I just call it remove, reinstate, and rejuvenate. So when I say remove all the allergens, the food sensitivities. So that's the first thing I start talking to the parents about is nutrition and see what exactly is the child eating, what could be the most common trigger in their diet, one of the allergens that we can actually kind of just remove and the allergy suddenly starts getting better on its own. The second part is reinstate, where we need to start kind of reorganizing the airways because the airways have been abused. There's a lot of inflammation. There's mucus production. So how do we restore it back to its normal anatomy? And many times we have to use some of the bronchodilators like albuterol and stuff to get that back. So that's a period where we use the medications. And the third one is rejuvenate. That's like when we start adding more supplements to strengthen our airways and our basic immunity so it can fight the allergies. That's where like the omega-3 fatty acids come in place. And then there's another medicine called quercetin, which is actually there in the peel of apples. So that's why I usually ask all my asthmatics to eat 1 apple a day because that itself is like a medicine.